Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're drawing Frieren, the beloved elf mage from Frieren Beyond Journey's End, in a style faithful to the original anime artwork. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave your like. It really helps the channel grow and supports more tutorials like this one. This tutorial will be a little longer because we really want to teach you how to draw our favorite elf in a simple but very faithful way, so anyone can follow along comfortably. So grab your drawing tools, get comfy, and let's begin. All right, for this tutorial, we'll start with a very simple sketch structure that will help us a lot during the process. Keep your sketch lines soft enough to erase later without damaging the final line art. And if you prefer, feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot of our sketch to use as reference. Let's position the eyes carefully along the C guideline from our sketch. Now, draw Frieren's eyes with that calm and relaxed expression she's known for. These eyelashes are delicate and require a lot of work, but they'll look really beautiful in the end. The ideal distance between the eyes should be roughly the width of one eye, which is why our sketch uses those 3 oval guide shapes. If any section feels difficult, pause the video anytime and continue at your own pace. Frieren is the main protagonist of Frieren Beyond Journey's End. She's an elfen mage who lives for hundreds, possibly thousands of years. The story begins after the heroes have already defeated the Demon King, which is very unusual for a fantasy anime. Frieren struggles to understand human emotions and relationships because of her extremely long lifespan. Her calm and emotionally distant personality slowly changes throughout the story. That detail makes all the difference, doesn't it? Wow, perfect! Frieren's sleepy and peaceful look comes from these soft upper eyelid marks placed close to the B line. Now, add the nose, right where horizontal line D meets the central vertical line G. Like many anime characters, Frieren's nose is very simple and delicate. At the bottom of the skull circle, where it meets line G, draw the mouth with Frieren's classic, calm, and emotionally reserved expression. Draw the eyebrows slightly above line B, keeping them smooth and rounded. Great! Now let's move on to the hair. For the top of the head, follow the curvature of the sketch sphere, extending upward almost to line B. Now draw the front hair strands. And remember, whatever we create on one side will mirror on the other side. This mirroring technique makes the drawing process much easier and helps maintain symmetry. Draw the hair part beginning right at the intersection of horizontal line A and vertical line G, disappearing behind the side strands as if tucked over the ears we'll draw soon. And yes, somehow Frieren's eyebrows still show through the hair. Anime logic is truly magical. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. Also, check out our complete playlist here on the channel. Just click the card in the upper corner and tell me in the comments, which character would you like to see next? And hey, this week is officially our Frieren special week, so we'll also be drawing her in other fun art styles here on the channel very soon. Before drawing the pigtails, let's finish the jawline and ears first. Draw the jaw with a very delicate shape, tapering softly down toward line E. The anime became highly praised for its emotional storytelling, atmosphere, and beautiful animation. Frieren's magic abilities are incredibly advanced, even among other powerful mages. The ears should sit approximately between lines B and C. Now draw Frieren's iconic elf ears, large, elegant, and triangular. Large, pointed ears like these are one of the most recognizable elf traits in fantasy and pop culture. Add the earrings, long and elegant, hanging naturally beneath the ears. Despite her immense power, she often behaves in very quiet and humble ways. Her iconic long silver hair and pointed elf ears made her one of the most recognizable anime characters in recent years. Let's begin one of the pigtails, starting high on the side of the head and flowing smoothly downward. Continue this same pigtail all the way to the bottom of the drawing, since we're creating a bust portrait. Frieren Beyond Journey's End explores themes like memory, friendship, time, and the importance of small moments in life. Now, repeat the same mirrored process for the second pigtail on the opposite side. Notice how the pigtails fall in front of the body, framing the character beautifully. Our Frieren is already looking absolutely beautiful. Draw the neck delicately, following the proportions from our sketch. Now add the high collar from Frieren's outfit around the neck area. Draw the central brooch on the collar. We'll color that gem red later. Draw the golden opening detail in the center of the cloak. What do you think of our Frieren so far? Now add the small shoulder brooches, even though they're partially hidden behind the pigtails. For colors, use pale lavender hair, soft skin tones, white clothing, gold trim, and red jewels. Using slightly darker tones for shadows will help create a much richer final result. Let's have the right shoulder with smooth and elegant curves. Finish with the left shoulder, balancing the composition nicely. Once everything looks good, remove the sketch layer, or erase gently with a soft eraser if you're drawing traditionally. And here's our Frieren! Calm, elegant, and beautifully faithful to the original anime style. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video!